How to log in to Facebook using Instagram. Since Instagram and Facebook are connected through Meta, it is possible to log in to Facebook using your Instagram. You simply need to connect both of your account. Go to Instagram and make sure you are logged in to your account. On Instagram, go to your profile section. On your profile section, tap on the three-line icon at the top right corner and select Account Center. Select the first option, Profiles. In your profile, you can see all the accounts that are connected to each other. If you want to add other accounts, click on Add Accounts and you can add them. Within Account Center, under Connected Experience, click on Login in with Accounts. Now here at the top, you will see Allow all accounts to log in with each other. Select that option and enter your password to verify. Here also you should see all the connected accounts. Now you can use Instagram to log into Facebook. That's all for today. Thank you.